The house had cedar siding on it, which we had to stain every year. And it just got to be too much for us the older we got. We decided to put on metal siding so it would be maintenance-free, along with new windows and new doors. We had heard of Lynnrich before. We had passed by his building a few times. We had met them out at the home improvement show and talked with them a few times. The estimating process was good. They came out, looked at everything on the house to see what we needed. They were very friendly, very helpful. Steel siding is the only thing that was maintenance-free, and we do have a metal roof on, so we wanted something that would match and tie in really well. I didn't want just the plain siding, so I had the rock look as well, and that tied it all in really nice.
Well, I don't have to stain it anymore, and I don't have to worry about woodpeckers and bugs. The people at Lynnrich, they were great to work with. And yes, I'd recommend them to anybody. They did a real good job at being right on budget. I like quietness of the house and all the windows and doors. The heating and cooling bills are lower. I just am totally satisfied and happy we did it.
Oh, I think the house definitely has increased in value. Just the look alone, as you can tell. Oh, I love it. I couldn't ask for anything better.
Lynnrich, your home.